Hi, I'm James Harmison. I'm a technical marketing manager in our AI business unit. I help our customers understand how our AI portfolio can help them solve their real-world problems. Today, we're going to be talking a little bit about how Red Hat AI helps in your sovereign cloud story when it comes to using AI agents and AI-enabled applications on your own infrastructure, or at least infrastructure that you have control over. And what does it mean to be sovereign in an AI-native world? I've got some examples today of using an agentic application that is deployed to OpenShift container platform. And this agentic application is leaning on some of the capabilities in OpenShift AI 3.4 announced here at Red Hat Summit. We're using inference from Red Hat AI Inference, specifically distributed inference with llm-d. This enables at-scale usage of multiple replicas of AI models, best utilizing the infrastructure that you have available. We're enabling those models to be consumed through Models as a Service, which is a feature in OpenShift AI 3.4 that enables you to control the rate limits, the access policies, and more for your models and observe them in use. Here, an agentic developer has deployed an application. This application is using a NeMo guardrails configuration, and this configuration enables them to ensure that their model is being accessed safely. It's not able to be abused with things like hate speech or profanity, and ensuring that it's staying on task for only the work they intend for it to do. It's accessed through this Models as a Service endpoint, through our unified AI gateway, and the developer has self-serviced an API token for interaction with this model. They've deployed their application to access the model through the guardrails, and this application is for the fictional Fedora Capital Bank. This application has an AI assistant baked in that helps users with their queries. It also has other modes that allow different personas to access different elements of the application and get more data, controlling their identity and access to the model throughout. One of the hard parts of running your own AI inference, though, is what happens when there's a heavy load on your users. As the administrator of a cluster running sovereign model inference, there's a real struggle understanding what's happening with your inference endpoints, where the load spikes are coming from, and how to appropriately react to them. Red Hat AI makes it easy to auto-scale your inference in the hybrid cloud, in your sovereign environment, under your control with your policies. In this environment, the administrator is able to observe the consumption of the model, but also the health and performance of that model endpoint. He can see the current utilization, the queue rates, and more, the kinds of details that an administrator needs to know what's happening in their environment. We can see that OpenShift AI automatically scaled a second replica of this inference pod, and it's starting up right away to help deal with the increased user load that he's seeing on his dashboards. In this environment, we can see that the time to first token, a key metric for when you're serving your own models for understanding the latency and how they're performing, is going down as this replica comes online and is able to begin serving user requests. The dashboard for the application is up and running. The CEO is busy interacting with the model, checking on what's going on inside of his organization. And it's still running fine because Red Hat AI was able to take care of scaling the model and supporting their sovereign inference needs without pulling the rug out from under them. If you're interested in understanding more about how Red Hat AI can help you with your sovereign cloud needs, just check the description for the links below.